So if we think about traditional maintenance approaches, these would be, planned maintenance, reactive maintenance. Planned maintenance being tasks that are done on a cyclical basis or a particular schedule. Reactive maintenance is tasks that are undertaken in response to an issue being reported or a problem arising. Smart maintenance or smart asset maintenance tries to drive more efficient approaches to both of these areas. On the reactive side, smart maintenance aims to avoid failures. So we look for signs of upcoming issues with the intention of intervening before the breakdown or the issue occurs. This could be in response to sensors generating warnings of unusual activity, increased vibrations, increased demand for electricity, or additional power demands, because they could be indicators of a potential failure. Intervening before the failure happens helps to reduce asset downtime and potentially reduce the cost of a larger scale intervention following a failure. On the planned maintenance side, smart asset maintenance aims to adjust the standard schedule to account for the level of asset use. So assets with particularly heavy use would then typically receive a higher degree of maintenance, and while assets with low use may have scheduled maintenance reduced to just the minimum compliance specification. This ensures that the effort and cost of undertaking planned maintenance activities is focused on the assets that most require servicing and those that are most at risk of failure or have the largest impact if they do fail. Overall, the approach is designed to deliver efficient maintenance programs as opposed to either reactive or just for the sake of it maintenance programs.